It's been a thrilling 7 days with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and if you're contemplating getting your hands on this device, there are some essential insights you should be aware of. My recent video discussing the iPhone 15 Pro Max gained massive traction, but there's still so much more to share. Let's dive into the real truth about my experience with this smartphone. First and foremost, durability is a major concern, and I decided to put the iPhone 15 Pro Max to the ultimate test by going completely caseless and screen protector free. The results are impressive: no scratches, dents, or discoloration. However, the vulnerability of the back glass is a point of contention. Despite its lightweight and sleek feel, the fragility of the back glass has become apparent in various drop tests on YouTube. To ensure longevity, using a case or opting for Apple Care is highly recommended. Moving on to the display, the front of the iPhone 15 Pro maintains its excellence, but did you know you can transform it into a 120-inch immersive screen? Enter the Virtue XR glasses, a game-changer that connects directly to the iPhone 15 series, offering a unique visual experience. For an exclusive 10% discount, check out the link in the description with the code ZA. Now, let's talk cameras. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a 24-megapixel default mode, setting it apart from the competition. Apple's implementation allows users to capture crisp photos without compromising HDR performance or color quality. The video experience is exceptional, with the ability to switch lenses seamlessly while shooting in 4K 60fps mode, a feature that stands out in the market. However, the A7 Pro's performance raises concerns, especially with reports of abnormal overheating during simple app usage. The promised 39M performance is met with disappointment, as Apple may resort to downclocking the A7 Pro's speed for better thermal management, potentially affecting gaming enthusiasts. Battery life, despite the 3nm chip, falls short of expectations compared to competitors. The convenience of USB-C is a standout feature, though fast charging capabilities may not be groundbreaking for Android users. The Action button proves to be a surprising and useful addition, providing quick access to various functions. The iPhone 15 Pro Max continues to deliver in areas like display quality, Face ID reliability, haptics, speakers, call experience, and mic performance. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is a mixed bag of surprises and letdowns. The camera experience is outstanding, but the fragility and potential of 7 Pro throttling are significant drawbacks. If you're upgrading from the 14 Pro series, it might not be the leap you're hoping for, but for those with the 13 Pro or 12 Pro, there's much to look forward to. Share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for a comprehensive long-term review after a month. Peace out.